how to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. Now, if you want to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator and enable two-factor authentication, first of all, download the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device. Once you've done that, simply go ahead and then sign into your Coinbase account on your mobile or laptop or whatever else you have. Now simply go to the multiple dots icon from the top left of the screen here, and here you can go to profile and settings from the top. Once you go to profile and settings over here, you can simply scroll down and just go to the option called security settings right here. So when you go to security settings, you'll also be able to find the option to change all of your information like your two-factor authentication. Over there, just select 2FA, and under the available methods, select set up next to the authenticator app. Just follow the on-screen prompts to finish the completion between the Google Authenticator app and the Coinbase app. This way you will be able to add Coinbase to Google Authenticator. I hope that this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.